Hello ma'am.
Hey guys.
Ako'y amuk lae. Aiga igi inaon paga. Ngasidi chowmin mukbang pure dugagi chicken momo dugagi sigal ya sauce. Do ako'y punna chowmin rani si namagi morok sabaw line si nagi morok sadaba line ko. Adudi ma'am, let's get started. Are you ready? Momo.
I want to have another bite.
Big fried chicken.
Guys, I love noodles so much. It is.
It is.
Oh.
Oh. Momo ka ba? Ano?
What's up?
Agora. Ma'am, khajai ko no nas ka chingri ba big bite to man na. Buka thale ma'am.
But I'm not.
You can have mine.
I sure will. This is gonna be a one slurpee.
Show us your big bite. Come on, Benjamin. Benjamin.
Hold on. So.
That's a huge bite. Now this is what I was talking about. What?
I want to ask you a question.
What?
You go. Say silk 3 times.
Silk,
3 times.
silk, silk, silk.
And what does cow drink?
Milk. Non!
Cow drink water. I got you. Dude, I got you. This is called tongue twister. I got you.
Do you know what brain rot is?
Mm-hmm.
Him. An example of a perfect brain rot. Eat it up!
Everything is mine.
You can have all of this. Wait, hold.
So this is what I was talking about. All Slurpee so that it can go into my trough.
If I eat this, I'll probably go to coma.
No.
Then?
Loose motion.
Ew, that was rude.
Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready?
Woo!
Mm-mm.
Come, let's do this together.
Period.
Period.
You're gonna watch it.
I'm also full.
You're gonna watch this. Gwen.
Like, these people are so fucking dumb that our parents gave us education, and they be thinking like, oh, our parents don't know English and all. Are you guys really dumb? Feels like you guys are really dumb.
People like me eat a lot, but doesn't gain any weight.
Same here, same here.
Broken out.
Momo udah kasih lo.
I can't. Not a big fan of Momo.
Mayaman na di ako asiga video sa messenger lagi ako pukpukay dere. Magipuk. Kayo raman niya kan mas mamma. Egon de hinama jagi din chowmin sukyam do. Momo ani leme. Duko na charger ni. Ado din mayaman sa video dong tingnar si. Boy, come
Peace out.
say bye to everyone. Bye.